large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for southeastern El Paso and northeastern Pueblo counties. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hanover, or 27 miles northeast of Pueblo, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado, northwestern Crowley County and southeastern Colorado, northeastern Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Hanover, or 26 miles northeast of Pueblo, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern El Paso, northwestern Crowley, and northeastern Pueblo counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has